Hello from Richmond.
Hello from Richmond. You'll notice a change of the accent because Richmond's rather a posh area.
Now listen, we got a message from Lauren and I read it to you last night. She said that you should name your new band The Geezers. I thought it was a very good choice, Lauren.
Well, at least you didn't say old geezers.
Well, you could call yourself the Old
The
Geezers.
old geezers. Yes. Average age 963.
Now we're in Richmond. We've just had a remarkable lunch. I'm quite shocked I paid for it.
Impressed?
I'm very impressed and shocked because we've got the grandchildren and the daughter with us, and I went to Greg's to get, well, we all went to Greg's to get a lunch, and we thought we'd bring it down here and sit in the lovely surroundings of Richmond Station and have it to eat. And the girls had a pizza each. I had a little salad pot. You had what was yours?
Chicken katsu pasty.
Chicken katsu patties, 2 coffees, 2...
That was one each. You
yeah, one
to
for
me
him and
said
one for
2
me. No,
coffees.
sorry, there's the coffee.
No,
2
I only
Capri
had
Suns,
one on it.
one for you and one for me. 2 Capri Suns, and
Has Capri got sons?
Capri's got Suns, and a soup. Is that all? Was that all we got? Oh, and some chips, some not chips, like potato
Chips.
wedges.
They were
Potato wedges. They were like chips, yes. And I was expecting to be about £30, and she said £19. And I went, what? And when we got here, I said, I've got to check and see how much she took off my card, because I'm sure it was I thought she said 19. And Helen, his daughter, said, yes, she said 19. So I was well impressed. Greg's the bakers,
fellas.
get your picnic and take it to a nice area, and for that many people at £19, I thought that was reasonable. Bargain, it's a bargain.
Yeah.
Right, well, they've gone off. What have they gone off to get? To see if there's a strapping for my knee, and to get a coat for the little one because she was cold, and we're going to go for a walk, a nice walk down there. Well, we're off on a magical mystery tour. What were you going to say, right? What?
Well, since we've got this far, and since you've already worked out what's happening,
Have I?
because you're a smart arse,
Oh, we're going to the...
we now need directions from here to North Ormsby Hall.
Oh, right. He turned left instead of turning right. And I said, oh, I'm going to Middlesbrough, to North Ormsby Hall. And he says, no. Because he doesn't want to go there, you see. And I said, well, really should go there because he's not keen on Middlesbrough.
She's now trying to just underline what a smart arse she is.
Anyway, I'm going to stop because I've got to tell him how to get there. Ask why he's not happy. What does his lordship not do? He doesn't do queues. So we've got a beautiful, beautiful countryside, really nice. And then look at that. There's a queue of cars. And we've been stood in the same place for 5 minutes? Longer. He's not happy. And you can't turn around.
There's no escape.
The little road is just wide enough for one car. And he says, well, I think you've got to go out another way. So he's stuck in a queue, aren't you? Oh, this is fun, but it's half term, you see. That's why, because all the kids are on holiday, and we should have had more sense to know that all people don't go out at half term holidays.
Oh, is that right?
Because all the parents are out with their kids. Oh,
Well,
the coffee shops will be
funnily enough-
busy, the other things will be busy. What?
Funnily enough, there's as many cars behind us, and at least the first three have got old people in them.
Dear me. So we might get there, or we might do a U-E and get in there and come right the way round.
Well, the thing is, my theory is this: if we're now stood in this queue, and this queue looks as though it's been here for a very long time, it means that the place is almost full.
Yeah.
Which means that any cafeteria will
Well, that's
be
what I just said. The coffee shops will be full.
over full and
So
queuing.
are we going to go in and straight out?
Well,
Are we going to tell them we're not going to bother?
no, it would be. We should at least have a walk round. I think that's if they can get us parked. I mean, we may be here because
Maybe
the
there's
car
been an
park's full.
accident or something's happened. You
No,
never
the
know.
car park's full,
And they can't fit us in.
and they've got to wait for somebody to leave before they can.
And
move.
of course, well, we're going straight through. We're not going there because the ladies told us it's a Halloween week and they've got the hall all decked up with Halloween stuff for the kids. And we aren't really bothered about doing that. And she says the car park is full, there's nowhere to park. And she's suggesting you went round the back of the hall and maybe see if you could park in the streets. But we just said we'll come back another time. But they're closing next week till Christmas to deck it out for Christmas, and then she says the best time to come is February when the snowdrops come out. So we should be doing that. We'll come in February. So sorry folks, you're not going to see us. You're not going to see it. We're on our way out.
You see it next time, though.
Yeah, you'll see it next time. We'll take you next time. There it is. Can you see that? That's where we were going to see. But it's full of little children. So we'll go another day. Oh, and there's a church there. Look,
It's the church. The house is over there.
Yeah, I'm just saying that was the house there. I just filmed it. The hill over there is called Roseberry Topping. It's a lovely little place. We've been up there. Oh, when we first moved to this area, and on the Millennium, we wanted to walk to the top of it to see all the fireworks because it's got a beautiful view over Middlesbrough, and we didn't do it, and we always regret that. Anyway, let's see what's down this way. Oh, look at this. Wow. So we've come for a walk to the woods. To the woods. Went for a coffee. She asked us if we wanted sugar in our coffee.
And we said no.
We said no, and so we got sugar in the coffee. And we had sandwiches. They didn't have much
They were
choice.
nice.
They were nice though, very nice.
Nice.
And we've come to the woods and somebody said, oh, it's so lovely around here. And look at that, isn't it lovely? Sun coming out.
There's an old man down there jogging, just in a pair of trousers.
Well, at least he's jogging, Brian. Not like you who aren't. But I was just going to say to you that his lordship made a comment.
That's enough.
What did you make just before I started filming? What did you say?
What did I say? I said quite a lot of things.
You said.
I think I used the word "and."
No, you said. It's nearly.
Oh, I said
It's October the 31st today, isn't it?
Yeah, it's October the 31st. We're out in not warm clothing, and the sun's shining.
Sunshine, it's beautiful. Okay. Sorry. The woods, very nice. Can't close this window. It's a beautiful day today. Tomorrow's the 1st of November and we're just amazed at how lovely and warm it is. I've got a coat on, I'm absolutely boiling. 16. And usually you'd expect really colder weather at this time of year in England.
10, 12,
Yeah.
somewhere.
That's degrees centigrade. I don't know what that is in Fahrenheit.
About 50, somewhere around there.
Anyway, we're on a mission to try and get to the seaside now. Will there be any queues? Will you get parked?
Well, there's
Not sure.
always a queue after the P.
Right, well, we'll see if we can get into the queue before the P.
So the answer is, if you don't want a queue, don't pee.
See you later.
Stars and the planets soon follow. Expect to
great surfing waves, aren't they?
Yeah,
Look at that one there, the back.
Yeah. You won't be doing the stand-up surf. Well, you possibly would be learning about it.